top setup here.
This one, I've never seen a Miata like this.
It's
insane.
I don't know why more Miatas don't run this exact lift kit that we have.
I know.
It's crazy what $142 on eBay will get you, you know? This is a very commonly ran setup. This lip kit, these side skirts, and this rear valence, very commonly ran. But I love this, the simplicity. This is why I like these cars so much. 4 tires, 250 bucks.
Yeah, it's like the same price as us for 18s though.
That's how much a pair of 18s goes nowadays. That's how much a pair of 18s goes nowadays. Truth be told, the reason I didn't record too much is it sucks working on your car and recording yourself working. It takes like 4 times as long. I'm very picky with the shots I set up, so I decided to ditch that and just make this episode more of a spirited driving drift video with showing some of the Miata progress. So, yeah. Just wrapped up work. I'm gonna head over to where the Miata is at right now and give you guys a little update. I know I said that later in the episode is gonna be spirited driving, but some things popped up. So I gotta go take care of those really quick. Get you guys in the loop of what's happening. Life is great within the smooth escape. Wanna talk, I'll delay. It is a smooth escape. On site where the Miata's undergoing some operations. I know I said I'm gonna go spirited drive this thing and take it on its cruise with the lip kit and new brakes, but things hit the fan. Started undergoing another operation in hopes that we can get it done in one day, and I missed a bunch of parts. So originally I was gonna hold off from telling you guys that we're gonna supercharge the Miata. I know I teased it in one other previous episode and some people remember it, but a lot of people don't know that that was kind of the plan with the car. Started filming this episode, doing the brakes and the lip. 2 days later, I think I brought it over here in hopes to get the supercharger installed in one night. I bought the kit as a full complete kit, but the guy was missing a bunch of small parts. There's like a dummy throttle body because you relocate your throttle body to the supercharger, spacer for the thermostat, so we have to do something with that. Mounting brackets, pulleys, and tensioners, but yeah. Now the cat's out the bag, I'm super excited to actually be supercharging the Miata. I've had this kit for like 8 months. I told myself after the KT that I wouldn't do forced induction to anything that came NA from factory. And I'm kind of repeating the steps, but I'm hoping this time, because it's only a 30 to 35 horsepower gain, I don't go through any issues. Fingers crossed, but I'm excited to hear it. Yeah.